You can easily make orange licorice root skin lightening body butter at home. Thank you for joining me today at Family Guide to Herbs Online School. I'm Carolyn Gibson, family herbalist, organic farmer, massage therapist, and I will be your instructor and guide today. We first start out by making our orange infused oil with dried orange peeling from the grocery store. Now you can certainly dry your own shredded orange peelings. When I'm ready to make my infused oils, and if I'm using dried herbs, I like to use my yogurt maker. Now, if I was using fresh herbs, I would either do it on a stove top or I would do it in my crock pot. But this yogurt maker is just perfect. And I'm just needing to make some small amounts. So I'm going to start out with, these are the little containers that come with it. If I wanted to make a larger amount, I would use some half-pint jars or even some pint jars to make some orange oil. So I'm using just some dried orange peel from the grocery store. Now I'm not going to get that wonderful orange aroma, but I will get the benefits of the orange peel. And then I'm going to use 5 tablespoons of grapeseed oil because I'm going to have this in my skincare. Now if I was going to do like a salve or a medical ointment, then I would probably use olive oil. But because this is skincare, I'm using grapeseed oil. I'm going to set this in the yogurt maker. I'm going to plug it up. And I'm going to let it sit for a minimum of 5 to 6 hours, and I may even do it overnight is okay. Strain. I was going to store this for any length of time. I'd go ahead and put vitamin E in it to help keep it from going rancid. But I'm going to be using this the next few days. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator, and the product that I make from it, I will put the vitamin E in that. Okay, this is my easy to make orange body butter skin lightening recipe. We're starting with 4 ounces of shea butter. Now this has to be at room temperature. That's what makes it so easy. And the smaller bits you cut it into, the easier it is going to be to whip. And then I've added my orange oil that we made earlier in the video. Okay, now I'm just going to whip it with the mixer until it gets really nice and fluffy. You can see it's nice and fluffy. So now I'm going to start adding my other ingredients, and after each ingredient I'm going to whip it up once more, and then when I've had everything put in, I will whip it for 5 minutes. Now I'm adding vitamin E. I'm adding, since this is an orange body butter, I'm adding essential oil of orange, and I'm adding some licorice root powder and tapioca powder. Okay, now we're finished with our orange licorice body butter. Doesn't that just look creamy? Now if you're thinking it looks like a light chocolate color, the licorice root powder that was put in there turned it that color. Now, a body butter is a very heavy moisturizer. You want to put it on damp skin. And the shea butter will melt if it's kept in hot conditions. So if you were to keep it in your car, if you were to keep it in a room in your house that is not air conditioned, it might kind of, the air might come out of it and it might separate a little bit, which does not mean it's bad. It just means you'd have to re-whip it again. And I hope you enjoy making this wonderful, super moisturizing, skin lightening body butter. Indulge yourself, give as a gift, or start a new business. Thank you for joining me today. Now, if you wish to see more of these videos, like and subscribe to our channel. Leave me comments in the comments section. Now, for the last 30 years, all of our income has come off our organic farm here in East Texas. We're 100 miles from Dallas, and our little community of 400 still considers chicken fried steak, mashed potatoes, and gravy a health food. And they just do not understand our lifestyle. They still laugh at what we are doing, especially since our main crop is wheatgrass, which they really have no idea what that is. We need your support by subscribing and liking our channel, and be sure and visit me at familyguidetoherbs.com, your guide to natural homemade remedies. Thank you so much.